Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with Biscuit and we are talking about my new favorite pet grooming system. This is a vacuum and a grooming device that is going to be perfect for pet owners. Whether you have a dog, a cat, or a couple of each like I do, then this is going to be your new best friend. So to start off, I just want to explain what this is, what all you get in it, and then we will dive into how to use it. So first off, it's super compact, lightweight, easy to store, and easy to carry. So if you're taking this around your house to do some vacuuming, or you're taking care of the dogs, maybe you are taking this on the go as a mobile groomer, this is going to be a perfect solution for you. I love how organized it is and that there are not a ton of different pieces that I'm going to inevitably lose and find all over the house. So this is a perfect setup. I cannot wait to show you how cute and organized it is. So right here in the front, you can tell this right here is actually going to be our dustbin when you use the vacuum mode for this. And the hose stores right inside of here. So it's super, super convenient. And this hose can go on one of two different ports. So this acts as both a blower and a vacuum. So you can use this to blow dry your dog or your cat after they get out of the bath. And you can also use it to suck up all of the extra hair when you're grooming, or you can take it around to vacuum pet hair around your house or your car. So it's super, super convenient. On the back side, you're gonna have your compartment for all of your accessories. I cannot wait to show you all of the tools inside here. It's crazy, so many different goodies. You get a little bit of everything. First, we'll start right here. We've got the little crevice tool. This is absolutely perfect for getting in those hard to reach places. Again, like in your car, in those sofa cracks, in the cracks of your dog's favorite bed, places where they like to lie. This is really, really perfect for getting all of those hard to reach hairs up. You also have this, which I like to think of as kind of a garment brush. It's really perfect for getting pet hair off of your clothing. So whether or not you realize you're about to leave for lunch and you've been snuggling with your dog, you might want to use this on your clothing. Also, it's great to use after a grooming session when inevitably you have a little bit of pet hair on you. You can use this to get it off, suck it right up into the bin, and you're good to go. You also have this nozzle right here, which is perfect for blow drying your dogs. It's super gentle, but it's also concentrated air to where it's going to get them dry and nice and quick. My dog doesn't really love blow drying. He likes it a whole lot more with the Catboxy because it's quick, easy, and it starts off at a really low sound level and can adjust to his tolerance for that day. But this shoots air out rather rapidly and he gets dry super fast, which we all appreciate. Now, as far as the other grooming tools go, these are incredible. I absolutely love this one. This is the brush tool that is going to not only detangle and help your cats and dogs with their undercoats. Like, check this out. It's perfect for that undercoat. That coat is that shedding, especially in the summer. We always love to use this on our dogs and cats because they're just losing hair so rapidly, and this is perfect for being able to brush them, keep them nice and comfortable and cool because it's so hot outside, but also make sure that all of that loose hair does not end up all over the place. Instead, you use this, boop, it sucks up right into the machine itself, and you don't have to worry about having all of that hair all over your house. It's the easiest, fastest, and definitely most hygienic way to brush your dog or your cat. Oops, sorry, Biscuit. And last but certainly not least here, we have a handheld clipper. So if you have a long-haired dog that you need to help with grooming, this is going to get all of that done for you. Very, very easy to use right here. You can tell how quiet that is. It is battery charged up, so you can use this just freehand and charge with USB-C, or you can put the hose on the bottom of here, and I really recommend that because check this out. You've got an area that's going to be sucking up all of the hair, so as you clip, it sucks into here and you have no mess to clean up. And of course, don't worry you guys, this does come with guards in every size, so you can be able to get the hairstyle you want for your dog. And like I said, that little charging cable right there. So you can keep this charged up for on the go or for part of cleaning in the device. Last but not least, I want to show you guys back here this cord wrap system. So you don't have to worry about cords being all over the place. It keeps you super, super nice and organized. And one more other thing, you do have a filter down here at the bottom that's going to extend the life of your vacuum. And right here in our Catboxy, like this part, and right here, after we take the dustbin off, you'll notice that there is a filter here on the back as well. So just to make sure that you keep everything nice and clean and also extend the life of your vacuum. Super important. We'll take the hose out, set this up, plug it in, and come back and demonstrate how it works. So we're all set up and ready to go, and Biscuit volunteered to demonstrate the Catboxy with me. So I'm going to show you all of our favorite tools. This is the blow dry. We're also going to check out the crevice tool, the garment tool, and the shedding brush. We won't check out the clippers today because he's a short-haired dog and doesn't need any shaving or anything like that, but that is an option as well. So right now I have this in the blow dry import. We've got the blow dry attachment on. It's very easy to just snap on and off, and very, very easy. You've got a little LED screen down here with on off. You can go up and down for the temperature, and you can see that in Fahrenheit or Celsius to keep it nice and warm, or whatever your dog prefers. So you have the heat function, and then you also have got the negative ions going on. So just like human hair dryers, that we want that nice shiny hair from those negative ions, this blow dryer has that as well to keep your pet looking super nice and shiny. So we'll show this off. We're gonna turn it on with the dial, and I like to start off in the lowest mode, and you can tell how quiet this is. So it's super, super quiet, and it gives Biscuit a chance to adjust to the drying. And yeah, it's nice and warm, so it's very relaxing. And if you want, as your dog gets more accustomed, you can turn it up to higher and higher modes. It gets pretty strong. And that gives you the opportunity to get your dog nice and dry even faster. Biscuit, you're being such a good man. Good job, buddy. So that is that mode. The cool thing about this hose is you can pop it off and then pop it right back in, even while still holding your dog. And that is changing it from the air blowing mode to the air sucking mode. So we'll try this out. We're gonna show off the de-shedding brush. Now, the thing is, it is the dead of winter here, and he is a very little man, so not a ton of shedding this time of year. We can see a little bit here though. And we're gonna use this to kind of furminate and get in there and get some of his loose hair off to keep him nice and comfortable. So again, very quiet, very gentle, very easy to adjust. As he gets more used to things, we can maybe turn it up. If you see he's kind of shaky, or he doesn't like it, very easy to turn back down. So it's perfect for pet parents. You want to keep your dogs nice and comfortable, and this is going to do that for them, making sure that they have a good experience. He's so relaxed, he's yawning. There we go. Good job, buddy. Good job. Now the coolest thing with this, again, he's not super sheddy right now, but, oh, When this is on, you can do this cool little thing. See the hair? Now you don't, because it goes down in the hole and it sucks all that up and your hair free. Which is a really great way to be. Good job, buddy. You did so good. So now I do have wearing black pants in a grooming video. It's not a good idea. Go ahead, buddy. Go over the treat counter. But luckily I can show you guys this. That all of this hair that ended up on my lap, we are now going to brush up with the garment brush. Super easy to get your soap nice and clean. Then we're gonna switch over to our crevice tool, and I'm gonna get these little spots where there's some pet hair down in the crevice of the couch. And voila, I'm able to easily clean that up as well. Overall, this is a really, really great tool. It has a little bit of everything for cleaning your home, your clothing, your dogs, whether you need to clip them or need to furminate and get some of that hair off, and blow dry. Plus, it's all compact. All the accessories are stored away in a really smart way. You've got that negative ion to keep your pet's hair nice and lush and shiny. You've got extra filters all around included in here. And God, let's see. And it's super easy when you are all done. All you have to do is just open this up and throw out all the pet hair that was captured during your cleaning session, and you're ready to store and put away for the next time. This is a really, really fantastic product. I cannot recommend Catboxy enough. So I'm gonna leave all of the links and all of the information in the description below for you. So from Biscuit and myself, thank you guys so much for watching. Adios, amigos.